Welcome to Melio Academy, the Explained series. In this short video guide, we're going to walk you through how to set up approval workflows for your team members and client accounts, so you can ensure total security and control for every payment scheduled. Let's get started. Once you're signed into your firm Melio account, simply select the client you want to set up approval workflows for by clicking on their account. Next, click Settings, and then select Approval Workflows, and then click Add Workflow. There are 3 ways to trigger an approval workflow. By payment amount, by the person who is scheduling the payment, by the vendor. Let's start by setting the approval according to the payment amount. You can choose any dollar amount starting from 0. You can then layer one of the other trigger options on as additional conditions to create more defined approval workflows. You can set a rule to trigger an approval depending on the payment scheduler. That means you can define the trigger to be based on a specific role, so either the accountant or contributor, or based on a specific user, in which case you can then select the exact team member. And you can add on top of the first 2 conditions that the approval is dependent on the vendor. You can, of course, reduce the number of conditions. You don't need to use all 3 triggers. You can customize this according to what's best for you and your clients. In this case, we're going to trigger an approval workflow at any payment amount, so starting from $0, when the payment scheduler is a member of our team, Tom Jones. The default is that any approver can make the approval, however you can customize this. So, instead you can say, I want a specific user or even multiple users to approve a payment. In this video, we'll require that the payment is approved by a specific user, Adam Smith. Now, to finish this process, just click Save Workflow. And that's it. Great job. You've set up your first approval workflow on Melio.